Hello everyone, this is Alex from Trilabs and today I have Sambit with me who has recently given an interview at Textbook for digital marketing. So today he will be talking about digital marketing and his interview experience as well as he will be giving advice as to what all things you need to be equipped with before the interview. So Sambit, let's first start with why don't you introduce yourself first?
Yep. Thank you for such a warm welcome. And I am Samit Mahapatra, and I am a BTech pass out from Triple IT Bhubaneswar.
Okay.
And so I have generated my interest for digital marketing approx 2 years ago, and
Mm-hmm.
from that time I have taken part in many competitions, and
Okay.
I have done many courses for this field.
Mm-hmm.
And my latest experiences include internship at testbook.com, and also I
Mm-hmm.
have done internship at Good Neighbors Australia and two more companies. And with
Okay.
that, my achievements are every year Google organizes
Mm-hmm.
a Google online marketing challenge, and
Okay.
in that my team secured top marketer position
Okay.
globally.
Mm-hmm.
And second achievement is we took part in a digital marketing challenge organized by Purdue University,
Okay.
USA.
Cool.
So in that, our team was the only Indian team to secure a rank in the top 20 list globally. So
That is
our rank was
very interesting to hear. The only Indian team to be representing at such a
thank
big place. Cool. Your achievements sound interesting to me. So let's dive in deep and let's first understand what basically digital marketing is all about. What are your views on that?
digital marketing is the most emerging field in the current situation. If you see, it has a lot of growth, and
Mm-hmm.
it is growing day by day, due
Correct.
to which each and every company, like online companies, whichever, due to this COVID situation, all started doing their business through online platform.
Mm-hmm.
So digital marketing played a great role for them. And if we see, like 80 companies are growing day by day,
Mm-hmm.
Unacademy, Byju's, Textbook, and many other companies. So they
Mm-hmm.
need digital marketing to rank higher. So digital marketing is the pillar of their success.
Okay.
So according to me, it plays a great role, due
Mm-hmm.
to which many online business and other companies can rank higher,
Okay.
beat their
So
competitors if they do proper digital marketing.
okay, so what I understand is that digital marketing has become I mean, it's not a recent trend, but it has become an important aspect to grow digitally if you want. Correct?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
That was a really nice explanation and a well concluded one, summarized one, I would say. So, next question is, tell me about the hiring process of the textbook hiring process basically. What was the hiring process of that?
Okay, so here I will be saying you about two fields for digital marketing and SEO both. So
Mm-hmm.
in digital marketing, what was happening? First call was from HR,
Okay.
where you need to say your previous experience they will be asking, and
Mm-hmm.
then call from, if the HR gets satisfied,
Okay.
somewhat your experiences are going to definitely satisfy the HR,
Correct.
because HR do not dive deep into your technical knowledge. They
Mm-hmm.
just have a look on the overall aspect. Then after that, you will get a call from somewhat a manager, I guess.
Okay.
So during that, they will be asking some basic questions
Mm-hmm.
about digital marketing.
Mm-hmm.
And if you qualify that round, then again, particularly for digital marketing, I'm saying,
Mm-hmm.
then again you will get another call,
Mm-hmm.
in which you have to dive deep and you have to give more technical answers.
Okay, so first round
So
was an overview. Second is diving deep into the
yeah,
digital marketing and the entire knowledge base of that.
yeah, it will be somewhat a little bit of technical aspect. So there
Mm-hmm.
are many terms, if we say technically, they're definitely not going to ask you what is CTR and other those things, but they will they will dive little bit deep. So you have to have that knowledge of digital marketing. Then final round will be
Mm-hmm.
in textbook. a CMO. He is the CMO as well as the founder. So he
Okay.
will be having the final interview where he will like ask few questions and have a
Hmm.
interaction with you. And
Okay.
if he gets satisfied, then for digital marketing you get hired. Similarly, for
Okay.
but in SEO, the first round will be HR. Of course, HR will be calling you, and then for after that it will be a general SEO round. So
Mm-hmm.
in which a manager will you have to talk. But in after that, if particularly in SEO, they will be giving you a task to do,
Okay.
like a computer analysis and on their link profile and how they have traffic, and they will also tell you to analyze their website. Like for textbook, they have asked to analyze their website and tell what are the flaws in their website.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that will be a question, and you have to do a complete research, and you have to make a report and submit it.
So
And after, yeah, go on.
yeah, so basically SEO is basically task oriented thing and digital marketing is basically
Yeah.
completely
Digital
based
marketing is completely. It will be a oral interview most
overall
probably.
interview process. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, so this sums up the entire interview experience we had. So just one last question before we end up this. Like what advice would you give to the juniors or someone who's preparing for digital marketing interview at Testbook or be it at any other organization?
For digital marketing, till now I have seen that definitely, like apart from if you go for a coding company, you will
Mm-hmm.
see that they will be taking a instantaneous test of yours, and if you
Mm-hmm.
qualify in that, and they will take you to their
Mm-hmm.
company. But for digital marketing, I have seen in most of the places they are asking for experiences. So try
Okay.
to take part in competitions or try to do some courses
Mm-hmm.
and try to do some freelancing also. So this will have a great impact if you are going for a digital marketing career.
Okay, so
Yep.
yeah, thank you, Sambit. This was really nice of you to share your experience, and hopefully, this will be helpful for a lot of viewers who are preparing for the interview. Okay, thank you,
Thank,
Sambit.
thank you.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.